Okay, I think we are live now. So, copy trading, because it's not everybody who wants to venture into crypto that knows how to trade, because that is where the money is. So, the whole concept of copy trading is copying the trades of other experts. Okay, there are people who do what we are looking at today is all about crypto copy trading, and right now a lot of exchanges are now offering these services of copy trading because of the money involved in it. Okay, because of the money involved in it. Now, a few things I need you to know is that the copy trading services. So once you become a trader, you are good at trading. You are sure that you are good at trading, even if you don't have the capital to trade. Okay, these exchanges out there are ready to offer you the opportunity. They offer you their platform. Okay, and up in the crypto space, you don't know, you don't have an idea of what of what trading is all about, and then you are wondering, how do I make money with this? So the best thing is, aside buying and holding, which is the longer term aspect of the crypto space, you can actually leverage on copy from. Okay, number one on the list here is Fairdesk. Okay, Fairdesk is one of the exchange. I don't know, I guess my network is not stable. Fairdesk is one of the exchange that offer copy trading. Now, personally, I am trading with Fairdesk. Okay, it means that that can equally be reflecting on your account. Okay, and one thing I want people to understand is, I had someone who was asking, how do I make the kind of profit you make? Because the fact that the 11% seeing leverage, 3x leverage, 5x leverage, whatsoever number of leverage you want to use, you have the option to use that leverage for yourself. Okay, so when I open a trade with 25x leverage, it means that it will open in your own account with 5x leverage or with 10x leverage. Okay, the percentage could be this Telegram for those of you on those platforms, so that you can sign up for an account and copy my trades directly from that angle. Okay, from Fairdesk. Then the next exchange you can copy trade from is BITGET. Okay, BITGET is actually very awesome, because a list of the best traders out there. Okay, so when I come to the leaderboard, you see the top 500 traders worldwide. Okay, now when I scroll down, first it will give you the top traders within your own country. Okay, if people in your country, in your location, are trading with BitGet, you will see them listed here, which is under copying traders here. Then the next option is the global option. These are all the traders who have been ranked according to their performance, okay, around the globe. So you see them rated here. So you see the first person here, the position size, the win rate. Okay, this win rate the trader makes for you 10%, depending on the trader you're copying. Okay, 10%, 5%, 8% of your profit goes to the trader. Okay, that is why the traders keep making profit, because it is from the profit they make for you that they equally make gain for the good traders here. But on BYBIT, unlike other exchanges, on BYBIT you are just allowed to copy a trader at a time. So if I want to copy more than one trader, I can't do that. I will need to copy one trader. Maybe if I have to copy another trader, I will first unfollow the trader I'm copying before I can follow the other trader. And then the least you can start with BYBIT is people don't know how to trade. So instead of coming to the exchange, then you buy your crypto and withdraw the crypto to a platform that will later run with your money, the exchanges are now doing everything to make sure that they carry everybody along. Okay, so majority of these exchanges, that's why the page are equally delaying to load. But these exchanges all offer copy trading. Okay, the ones I've mentioned, and even many of them out there that I've not mentioned, offer copy trading. But the one that I personally use, okay, is I do copy trading. I copy optional traders on BitGet exchange. Okay, and money I think in one or two trades or so, but after that I didn't do again. So I've equally traded copy traders with Gate.io. I actually recommended it to somebody, and then the person, as at the last time I asked, he told me that he's getting good result from GATEIO. So there are a lot of traders, good changes based on the exchange you are using. It's just few changes. And copy trading is not something that you must have a laptop or a desktop before you do. It is something you just use your phone to do. Once you have a verified account with any of these exchanges, you sign up for an account, get your KYC done, and once KYC, deposit some funds into your account.
Hello, sir. Yes, sir. Hello, sir. This network STI is really network because all what you said about out of 100% you said, I don't think we understood up to 40%.
Yeah, can't hear you. Can't hear clearly. Just start.
Please mute your mics, okay? Mute your mics. Mute your mics.
They are correct. The network is very, very bad.
Seriously bad.
Very bad.
When you hear me clearly, let me know, okay?
Network go off and on. I cannot get you exactly what you want.
Network is a little bit okay now, sir, but it can still work a bit better. Thank you.
Gonna rewahala.
How about now? Can anyone hear me clearly?
Yes, 100%.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Loud and clear.
Okay. All right. Okay, so sorry for the challenge with the internet and the rest. Okay, just a quick recap of what I was actually saying. All right, we are talking about copy trading and how you can earn passive income with copy trading. And I actually said that there are a lot of exchanges out there, okay, legit platform out there that are offering copy trading, crypto copy trading, meaning that if you don't have the expertise, if you don't have the skills to trade, okay, you can go to any of these exchanges that I will be sharing with you and copy professional traders out there. All right, and I equally said that there are two ways, okay, that you can actually make money with copy trading. There are two ways. If you want to make money with copy trading, there are two ways to go about it. First, you need to have the trading skills, okay? Once you have the trading skills, you can come to any of these exchanges, okay, and become a trader there, all right? And then even if you don't have the whole capital in the world to trade, once you're a pro trader, you can actually be earning interest from trading for other people. Okay, so when you become a pro trader, people start copying your trades, and for every trade, every successful trade that you take on your account, it equally reflects on the account. And when you make profit for them, you get a percentage of that profit you're making for them. And an example of such type of trading is in all of this platform. I personally trade with the Fairdesk exchange. Okay, it means that if I have a current trade that is running right now and the trade is in profit, whenever I make profit, those who are copying my trade will equally make profit from that particular trade. That is what copy trading is all about. So first you become a professional trader, then you can trade with any of these exchange and people can copy your strategy, copy your trades, okay? And then whenever you make profit for them, you equally get interest from that. Then the other aspect of it is you copying other traders. If you don't know how to trade, okay, but you have the money you want to earn passive income from, all right, you can now come to exchanges like Fairdesk, all right, and copy my own trades. When you copy my trades, for every trade that I trade and I win, okay, that reflects in your account. Okay, if I lose a trade, one thing with copy trading, it equally comes with risks involved. Copy trading is not 100% guaranteed that, oh, because you are copying a professional trader, you will not lose money. Okay, but in as much as that trader knows how to manage his or her risks very well, you can equally be sharing in the profit and the losses of that trader. Okay, and at the end of the day, maybe after 30 days, you'll see that you'll still either break even or still make profit in your trades. All right, that is everything about copy trading. So I often say that the easy way to make money in the crypto space is trading. All right, it's not everybody who have that patience of investing money and waiting for years for the money to mature and the rest. So if you cannot wait for that long, if you cannot wait to copy, to buy a coin today and wait for it to grow tomorrow, you can either trade yourself or you copy other traders. Okay, now the copy trading is basically futures. Okay, when we talk about copy trading, it is futures for now. All right, BitGet is on the move to start doing copy trading for spot trading, but right now all the copy trading I'm introducing to you are all futures trading. All right, so that is why I said when the trader wins, you win. When the trader loses, you equally lose. Okay, so exchanges where you can copy traders and make some passive income is, number one is Fairdesk. If you come to Fairdesk and you go to copy trading, okay, you will see all the traders that Fairdesk have, okay, that are trading currently. I'm equally among this list. So this is my name here, Digital Leonard. Okay, you can see the performance of the trades that I've carried out, okay, the profit I've made, okay, and my numbers of followers are actually increasing. So if you want to start copying my trades, just go ahead, sign up for an account for Fairdesk. All right, now with Fairdesk, you cannot buy USDT with P2P, meaning that once you sign up for an account with Fairdesk, you need to make a deposit. Okay, so you come to asset. Okay, once you come to asset, you want to go and click on deposit. All right, so once you click on deposit, you need to copy your address. Okay, make sure that you are selecting. Once you come in here to deposit, you want to go to USDT, and on the USDT, you want to select TRC20. Use either TRC20 or BEP20, okay? These are the two cheapest, all right? This will charge you, even if you are going to deposit $10,000, it will only charge you $1 to do the deposit, okay? From your other exchange. So you just copy this address, all right? Copy the address and go to the exchange where you have USDT or where you can buy USDT with P2P or with Naira or your local currency. And then now withdraw the money from there to this address. Then it will be reflecting on your Fairdesk account. Once it is reflecting on your Fairdesk account, you go to the copy trading option again. Okay, let's say you want to copy my trade. If I go to the next page, this is my trade. Just click on it. All right, so once you click on it, you can see the performance of the trades I've carried out, okay, down here. And then you can check the followers here as well. Then once you are satisfied with it, you will see a box here that says copy or follow. Okay, just click on that, and then it gives you the option. I have a step-by-step video that actually guides you on how to do this. Okay, it gives you the option to set up your own leverage. All right, that is one good thing about copy trading. So even if I use 100x leverage, I'm using 25x leverage. If you set to copy my trades with 2x leverage or 5x leverage, it is what that will be reflecting on your account. Okay, so it gives you the option to set up your own leverage and then set up the amount of money you want me to copy with. An example will be, right now I have a trade that is currently running. Okay, this trade that is currently running, if you look at the margin size of this trade, okay, look at the margin, it's about 2051 USDT. Okay, so this margin size you are seeing here, if you now set up yours to be $10, $20, it means that even if I use 10,000 here, it is that $10, $20 that will be reflecting in your account. So the result could equally be varied. It means that even if I'm making whatever I'm making in a day, it is based on the account size or the margin size that is on your account that will be reflecting on your account. Okay. So once you copy, that is it. You just go and relax for whenever I trade and make profit, it will be reflecting in your account. The profit and the rest will be reflecting in your account. All right. So the next exchange where you can do copy trading is BitGet exchange. All right. BitGet, I currently do copy trading on BitGet. BitGet do have a lot of good traders. Okay, I'm not saying this, it is an exchange that I've used for a while now. They do have a lot of good traders. So when you come to the copy trading option, when you click on copy trading here, you see beneath it, you see the leaderboard. Okay, when you click leaderboard, it brings you to this page. Now it shows you the top 500 traders worldwide. If you scroll down here, you now have those who are trading within your local, your country, your location, wherever you find yourself. Okay, currently in Nigeria. Okay, all these persons are Nigerians who are trading here because I am on the local tab. All right, means that I can actually copy all of these traders you see here. Then, if you want to look at the global result, you see all of the people who are trading on the BitGet exchange globally. So you see their performance. Okay, for the past for this week, yeah, this performance are for this week. You can now sort out the performance, maybe yesterday's performance, last 7 days, or this month's performance. You can sort out that. And if you see any trader you like, just go ahead and click on follow. Okay, then it brings you to this page. Once it brings you to this page, unfortunately, we cannot follow this person because the trading room for this person is filled up. This person has made room for 500 persons to copy his or her strategy, and already 500 persons are copying those strategies. So you cannot copy this person. Okay, so when you scroll down here, you'll see the trading data here. This person has traded, out of 348 trades, this person has 332 trades as winning trades, and then 16 trades as losing trades. Okay, so if I come to where it says order here, I can actually see the history of this person's trade. You see that this person is trading with 50x leverage, and this is the history of the person's trade. Okay, if you click on copy trade, if the person have a trade that is ongoing, you will see them here. Whether the trades are in losses or in gains, you will see all of them here. Then you see the followers. Okay, you see the followers. See, look at this. Okay, these are the profit that this trader has made for all of this person who have been following him. Okay, so and then when you click, we cannot click on copy because this person is filled up. So if I go back to the copy trading again, now you can continue to go back to the leaderboard and continue to sort out for traders. You will see. Okay, for instance, if I want to copy this trader, this guy is a Nigerian. I don't know if you know him. Okay, MJ is a Nigerian, so I can go ahead and then agree to the terms and conditions. Go ahead and click I have agreed, and then confirm. Okay, so once you come in here, okay, this person's sharing ratio is actually 0%. All right, maybe this person has not met up the criteria that BitGet needs. That is why even if the person makes even an ad from you for you, the person cannot be sharing your profit from you because it is 0%. Okay, so I just wanted to show you what you should be expecting. Some charge 12%, some charge 10%, and the rest. So if I come back here again, let me look for a trader that we can copy. Go to the next page. Let me show you how much the percentage is. If I copy this trader here, okay, yeah, this person's sharing ratio is 10%. It means that whenever the person makes profit for you, 10% of that profit goes to him, okay, him or her or something. Okay, so and then this person is trading only BTC and Ethereum, which is good. Okay, now if you are somebody who trades a lot, if you have somebody who trades a lot of coin, for instance, that first trader that we opened, okay, if I click on to copy this person's trade, now this person trade almost all the coins available. I don't do this. I don't trade all these coins. Okay, so what I do is to just click on any of the coins you don't want to copy, okay, and uncheck all of them. All right, majorly I copy just BTC and Ethereum. Okay, so you will uncheck all of this and only check the ones you want to copy. If you want to copy LITECOIN, if you want to copy Bitcoin Cash, okay, Dogecoin, all of these, you go ahead and uncheck them. So I will uncheck and let it be only BTC and Ethereum. Okay, so we only have BTC and Ethereum. Then the next thing I want to do is on the BitGet exchange, you want to click on use advanced mode. Okay, on the advanced option, this is where you see the margin. So the margin will now say follow trader. If you follow the trader, if the trader is trading with 10% of his account balance, it will equally reflect in your account that way. If the trader is trading with 100% of his account balance, that is how it will reflect in your account. But if you want to set up your own margin per trade, you just put USDT. And then for your leverage, if you want to follow the trader, fine. But if not, you can use the one that say use customize leverage, okay? So you can customize the leverage. Now you now put, for instance, we saw a trader that trades the 50x. So you can now put 10x leverage here, okay? And then put 10x leverage here. It means that when the person open both long and short trade, it is only 10x leverage that will be reflecting in your account. Then for the margin, you can put from as low as $10 to $3,000, okay? So this means that if you put $3,000 there, it means that for each trade that a trader opens, okay, $3,000 will be deducted from your account to carry out that trade. So it means that you need to have up to $3,000. If you don't have, you will get error that the trade will not copy. So if you put $10, it means that even if you have $10,000 in your account, it is only $10 that will be deducted per trade. Okay, the trader can open as many as 100 trades and the rest. But when you put $10 here, for each of those trades that the trader is opening, it will only cost the trader $10 to open that trade for you. All right. So it means that if the trader makes 1%, you are making 1% of $10. If the trader makes 0.5%, you are making 0.5% of $10. If the trader makes 100%, you are making 100% of $10. The same thing happens if you put $1,000, $2,000 or thereabout. And then if the trader loses, it is equally the same amount. It is equally the same amount that you are going to equally lose. Okay, so I just want you to take note of all of that. All right, so after that, you will now come to, now when you select your pair, I can do this for BTC, I can do this for USDT. Okay, and then the next thing you want to do where it says risk management, okay, you have the option to put stop losses and take profit level. Now personally, I don't use stop loss because when I started copying traders, I'll put stop loss at 10%. And one thing I noticed is that at every time I put stop loss, the trade will always hit my stop loss. And when it hit my stop loss, if I go to check the trade on that trader's account, the trade will always end up in profit. Okay, so I was always on the losing side. So because of that, I don't put stop loss. I can put take profit, but I don't put stop loss. Now, if I don't put stop loss, I will be checking the trade because I can access everything with my phone. Anywhere I am, I can be checking. Okay, when I check if the trade is in profit and I look at the market, I can manually close or allow the trader to close the trade. For the past few months now, I have been allowing traders to close the trade, and they have always been closing the trades in profit. The few trades that I close them at loss during, when the market we had a sharp drop. I close all of those trades at loss. But at the end of the day, the trades still end up in profit. So what I do is allow the trader to do their thing. All right. The few trades that I copy are good, so I allow the trader to do their thing, and then you get all of those profit as they get. Okay. Then the minimum or maximum follow amount, you can set the maximum follow amount. Now, if I allocate, let's say I put 500 here for this trader. It means that whenever this trader opens a position that is more than 500, the trader will not be able to trade with any money from my account. Okay, so if I put $50, if this trader opens a position that is more than $50, it will stop there. Even if the trader wants to carry out another trade, it will not be reflecting in my account because I have put in the maximum here as what? As $50 or $500. All right. That is with the BitGet exchange. So go check out BitGet. If you want to personally copy my trade, go to Fairdesk. All right. And then copy my trades there. But if you want to check out BitGet, go to BitGet. There are good traders there you can copy from. Okay. All right. So the next thing, and whenever you're selecting traders from BitGet, just go to the trade option, go to the leaderboard here. All right. Then scroll down here and come to the global option, select a trader here and follow that trader. Okay, the next exchange where you can copy trader is BYBIT. Okay, BYBIT do have a lot of good traders as well, but the BYBIT option allow you to copy only one trader at a go. Okay, you can only copy one master trader at a go. You cannot copy. If you want to copy another trader, you need to unfollow the first trader before you can copy the next trader. All right, that is BYBIT for you. So I I personally don't use BYBIT because I tried it once, I lose my money, and so I gave up. All right, but you can equally get good traders here to copy. All right, then you can copy traders on Gate.io exchange. Okay, Gate.io exchange, I actually used it. I made a video about it. I recommended it to someone, and the last time I checked, the person told me that yes, he gets a lot of good trades from the copy trading option. So you can go check out the Gate.io exchange and equally copy traders from that. Now, a lot of exchanges that are upcoming are offering copy trading. The reason for this is because there's money in copy trading. The fee you pay on copy trading is not like the normal fee. Anyway, you will not understand this until you start trading, okay? Because the fees on copy trading are a bit high. So it's not like the normal fee that, you pay on when you are trading on the on features and the rest. Okay, but there's a lot of money here, so a lot of traders or these exchanges are taking advantage of this and then making money for themselves and making money for traders. So basically that is everything you need to know about copy trading. Okay, that is basically everything you need to know about copy trading. I hope you all heard me clearly. So if you do have questions, okay, you can either type the question, or those of you who are on the meeting, you can unmute your mic and ask your questions. Okay. All right, it's time for question. Is there anything you didn't understand? Please unmute your mic and ask your questions.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for the explanation, sir. Sir, like on this Fairdesk or BITGET, $100 can copy more than one person. Hello, sir.
Yes, you can copy. Hold on, somebody is speaking. Okay, hold on if you can hear me. You can copy with $100. You can copy more than one trader. Yes, either on Fairdesk or BitGet, you can copy more than one trader with $100.
Okay.
Yeah.
The one you explained last, sir, the amount of USD you are going to put, like for each dollar, like if you should put like the 10x leverage.
Yes.
Hello?
Yes, I'm hearing you. Go ahead.
10x on both, when you said on both on the Ethereum or BTC, can you just put $10 for the last one you explained? How did they call it?
Okay. On the BitGet, if I go to the BitGet exchange here, that option is let me go follow another trader here. Okay. Now, when you are copying a trade, both on BitGet and Fairdesk, you have the option to put the amount of money you want the trader to use whenever the trader is carrying out a trade. Okay. So after setting up your leverage, the next one is the margin. Okay. The margin is the amount of money to cost that trader to carry out a trade for you. So each time the trader takes a trade, it is that amount of money that will be deducted from your account. Okay. So if I come to copy this trader here, you see where it says margin. Now you only have these two options here because I am on the express mode. If you change it to use advanced mode, not the basic mode, let's use advanced mode. Now, when you change it to use advanced mode, this is what it gives you. It tells you for the margin, do you want to follow the trader or you want to set your own margin? You click here. If you want to set your own margin, you say you want to set your own by clicking USDT. For the leverage, do you want to follow the trader's leverage or you want to set up your own leverage? If the trader is using 50x leverage and you only have $100 in your account, it means that you can be liquidated earlier than the trader. Maybe the trader is using 50x and is using 5,000, 2,000, 3,000, 10,000 per trade as his margin. The trader's account with the trade will be there for like maybe until Bitcoin gets to like 16,000 or 15,000 before his account will be liquidated. But if you follow the trader's leverage and you only have $100 or you have set your margin to $10, it means that if the trader opens a trade and the trade retraces back, maybe you are supposed to be liquidated at 15,000 and then it raises to 16,900, you'll be liquidated because the amount of money you allocate to that trader is smaller. That is why you have the option to set up your own leverage. So always make sure you select and use customized leverage. Okay, don't follow the traders leverage because these traders trade with a lot of high leverage. Okay, so you want to put in here 10x, anything from 2x leverage to 10x leverage is okay. Okay, so you can either use 10x leverage or you can use 5x leverage, 7x leverage, 8x leverage, and the rest. Now the leverage is, if you are using 2x leverage, it means that for every money that you allocate, it is going to be multiplied 2 times. That is why you can get liquidated earlier. Okay, then for the margin, this is where you now set the margin. The margin is the amount. Let's say you have $100 in your trading account, in your futures trading account, and then you say this trader, whenever this trader opens a trade, you want the trader to trade with only $10. It is only $10 that will be deducted from out of that $100. All right. So then if I come down here to the risk management where it's a maximum full amount, I will now say the maximum full amount should be $50. Okay, it means that for this first trader, the trader will open a trade worth $100 per trade, but the trader will not open a trade more than $50. Okay, so once the trader opens up to $50, it will stop automatically. So it means that what they are doing now, if you want to copy 2 traders, you ask, 50 can be allocated to the other trader, and then the remaining 50 can be allocated to the next trader. Okay. I don't know if that is clear enough.
Yes, well understood.
Okay. Yes, go ahead.
Yeah. Like, what is your best advice? Like this one, like when you put like $50 USDT, which it shouldn't be lower than that or higher than that with one with $100.
Sorry, I didn't get that. Can you take the question again?
100. No, sir. I say with $100.
Yes.
Your best advice now is one should put 50 or lower than 50.
Okay. For the maximum full amount, right?
Yes.
Yes. If you are going to copy only one trader, you can put 100. But if you are going to copy 2 traders, just put 50 so that the money can be split into 2, so that each trader will use $50 to trade.
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Which means like we the beginners, the novice that want to start following, you should use 50.
Exactly.
Not lower than 50.
Yes.
Not lower than,
Not
less than 50.
Not less than it can be less than 50, but it shouldn't be higher than. Use $10. I don't know whether you understand. For the margin itself, use $10, but for the maximum follow amount, use 50.
Okay.
Yes.
But it shouldn't be lower than 50. But it can be lower than 50.
It can be lower, it can be higher, and it's just your choice to make.
Is there any request lower than 50?
The trade as a whole, there's risk involved in it. All you just need is the trader should be able to make profit for you. So whether you use, even if it is $10 or $50, when the trader loses a trade, you are going to lose as well. So there is risk involved whether you use higher money or lower money. Anything at all you want to do, there is risk. Because if the trader loses, you equally will reflect in your account. But the leverage, the size of leverage you use will determine the amount of money you are going to lose. So always use a lower leverage so that when the trader loses a trade, it will be lower amount on your account.
Okay, noted, sir. Noted. Okay, now we can put like 20 on the amount to be allocated to the trader.
Exactly.
20, 30.
That's right.
Okay.
Yes.
But you advise 20 or 30.
I cannot advise you on this. Use your discretion because there is no financial advice. The fact that I'm teaching you how to do crypto, it doesn't mean that I'm advising you on what to do. I cannot advise you on this because I could take my risk differently and then yours will be different. So just try to understand it and then use your discretion, to try it. For a start, you can try with $10. When you see the performance, you now decide to increase and it goes on that way.
Oh, yes, sir. Noted, sir. Thank you very much.
All right, you're welcome.
Hello, sir.
Yes, sir. Go
Hello,
ahead.
sir.
Yes, go ahead.
If the person, no matter how much he has in his account, or the money he borrows, for example, with your money, if you say lose, with your money gone, or some, or the capital will be remaining, or with your money gone.
Okay. There are two ways when it comes to losing a trade. There are two ways. The first one is that the trade will hit your stop loss. Now, when the trade hits your stop loss, for every trade, okay, for good risk management, you are advised to put stop loss. Now, when the trade hits your stop loss, and then maybe the stop loss is out of your $10 or $100, the stop loss is -$2, -$10. It means that you've out of that $100 you dedicated, you've lost $10. Okay. Then the second way you can lose money is when you don't put stop loss. The next thing is that your account will be liquidated. The reason for liquidation is that you are borrowing money from the exchange to trade. The exchange doesn't want you to lose their money. Okay. So when you have $10 and you are using 10x leverage, it means that your account size is now $100. Okay, because you are using 10x leverage, because the money will now be 10 times the amount of money you have. So the exchange gives you a limit to how long you can stay in the market if the market goes against you. So before the market will eat up the $10 you have, the exchange will liquidate your account, then use the balance to make up what the money they have borrowed you. The exchange will never allow you to lose their money. That is why there is liquidation. Okay, so if you don't want to be liquidated, always use stop loss. All right. Now for copy trade, the trader handles all of that for you. For instance, I have a trade that is currently running right now. Okay, and I have a target to where I want this trade to go. So it means that for now, for everybody who is copying my trade, this trade will be showing profit in their account. Okay, I've put a take profit level here. Now that the trade has gone far, I can now put stop loss. Anyway, this is purely trading. I can now put stop loss somewhere closer to the price. Now, if I put stop loss in this trade now, if I lose, the trade will still be in profit. Okay, because already the trade has gone far. So the trade will still be in profit if I lose for any reason. The trade will still be in profit. But for the traders you are going to copy, they manage all of this for you. So you don't need to stress yourself to start putting stop loss. But you can always be looking at the trade. When the trade is in profit, you can close it manually on your own. All right. Even when the trade is running, if you close it from your end, the trader will not do anything. So you can close your trade from your end and it will be closed and wait for another time when the trader will take a trade and it equally reflects. Okay. So when you lose money, you lose it completely or you lose part of it. If it is your stop loss, it is part of it. If it is liquidation, you lose it completely.
All right, but so sir, can you see the same money for another trade again when next one is off?
No, now what happened is, since you can copy more than one trader on Fairdesk and BITGET, when you have $100 in your copy trading account and you are copying two traders, the two traders will be sharing that same $100. They will be using the same $100 to trade for you based on your settings. That is why I say you can put your margin as $10. It means that when the first trader opens a trade, he opens $10. When the second trader opens a trade, he opens another $10. It means that out of $100, you still have $80 left. Okay? So when they open more trades, yes, they will be sharing that same money until maybe they close the trade. They will just be making profit from you just like that, from the same money you have on your trading account.
Okay, well understood.
All right.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
Which means when you are following, as you explained in the lecture on the software before asking questions, you said that you don't stress yourself by putting stop loss or take profit, which means if you are following the trader, you should always follow the traders, the traders moves without even limiting yourself to any stop loss or take profit, right?
Yes.
Okay. Thank you very much, sir. How can you stop the trade, or how can you go out of the trade when the trade is in profit or you are monitoring it?
There is an option that says close. Okay, like on this trade now, it says quick close or advanced close. So you can use, if I use quick close, it closes it with the market order. But if I use advanced, it asks me to set the price at which I want to close it. So you can just, you will always see a close button attached to your trade. So you always click on the close button and it will close the trade for you.
Is it also showing on the phone option?
Yes.
These are, can see
No, it's equally on the phone. You will always see an option to close your trade on the phone.
okay.
Yes.
Thank you very much, sir.
You're welcome. All right. I see that people are picking interest in copy trading. So let's see what you can achieve with this actually. Yes, more questions.
Now we wish you good work, because all the best in trading, because most of us, I think, will be on your Fairdesk.
All right. So the more wish me well, yeah. When you wish me well and make profit, you equally make profit as well. Yeah, that's good. Thank you so much. I will try my best, okay? I will always make sure that I spot that good opportunity that will be giving us money. So let's see if I can carry us. Yes, sir. Please go ahead and unmute yourself.
Okay, good afternoon, everybody. I want to find out about this Fairdesk. I have completed all registrations and I've not been able to see a place where I can make a deposit, even fund the account in the platform. I tried to check the list of where we can make a fast transfer. There is no NGN there, and there's no P2P in the platform where we can buy and maybe transfer to the trading account for us to be able to copy a trader.
Okay.
What we could do in that aspect.
Yeah, presently Fairdesk is not supporting P2P, though you can buy crypto with card and the rest. But since you're in Nigeria or any other African country, you cannot buy with that. So the best thing you would do is on the Fairdesk, go to your wallet, okay? Go to your asset and click on deposit. It means that you need to buy USDT from any other exchange you are currently using, okay? Exchanges that allow you to buy with P2P and the rest. So buy USDT on that exchange. And then when you buy USDT, you now come in here on the deposit option, select USDT, and then use TRC20 to copy, okay? So they will generate an address for you. Just copy the address, go to your exchange, and then send the money to this address. When you send the money to this address, you will now have the money reflecting in your account. So once it's reflecting in your account, you can now come to the asset back, okay? So if I go to my wallet, I can now come back here, and then you see where it says copy trading on your wallet, okay? All of this can be navigated when you are on your phone. So when you say copy trading, you want to come to copy trading. On the copy trading option, mine is showing differently because I'm a pro trader, but you will see the copy trading account where it says transfer. So you can now transfer. If I click on transfer here, you can now transfer USDT from your wallet to the copy trading account. Once the money is reflecting on your copy trading account, you can go ahead and start copying the trades, okay? That deposit process, if I just show you right now. So if I click on deposit on the Fairdesk, go to wallet, click on deposit. Once you click on deposit, select the asset, in this case USDT. So I'll go ahead and select USDT. When I select USDT, I want to select the network as TRC20. When I select the network as TRC20, I want to copy the address. So when I copy the address, if I go to BITGET, okay, once I'm on BITGET, I'll go ahead and go to my wallet on BITGET and click on withdraw, okay? It could be BITGET, it could be any other exchange you have. So when I come to withdraw on the BITGET exchange, I will now go and select USDT, all right? So once I select USDT, the next thing it asks me to paste the address or ask me to select the network. So click on the network and select TRC20. Remember, you copied from Fairdesk TRC20. So here it should be TRC20 as well. So when I copy, and then the next thing is to paste that address that I copied from, okay, sorry, I didn't copy that. The address that I copied from Fairdesk, go ahead and click on it to copy, okay? So once it copies, come in here and paste the address here. I don't know why the address is not copying. So, oh, sorry. This is where I'm supposed to paste the address. Okay, so you paste the address here, and then here you put the amount you want to actually withdraw. Then click on submit and follow the on-screen instruction to complete it. So once you withdraw, the money will now be reflecting on your Fairdesk account. From Fairdesk, transfer it to your copy trading account. Then from there, you can start copying my trades from there.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
On BITGET, you showed us where how to allocate some money or some portion of your USDT to trigger. But on Fairdesk, well, I don't think yeah.
No, it is. It is. On the Fairdesk, I may not have the option. It is there. I won't have the option to show you that because actually trading. Let's say I want to copy this guy. Okay. So I will not be able to copy the guy's trade because I'm a pro trader. So when you click on copy, it gives you the option. I will equally share the video I made on the Fairdesk copy trading. Okay. I made a video on Fairdesk copy trading. So when you go and click on the copy option, okay, you should be able to see the option to copy my trade. So once you click on copy, you will equally see an option to set your leverage and set your margin. All right, the same thing I showed you on BitGet. The same thing I showed you on BitGet is equally there. So I will share the video with you. I have a video on that shows how to do that. So I will share the video, yes, so that you can go through it and use it.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Okay. I believe we all understood this. So if there is no other question, then we can draw the line here. Let me see what you can achieve with this. I want you to start making some passive income. Okay. Put this to add this to the knowledge you've acquired already, and start earning some passive income from the. Before our next class, I want to see results from this. Okay. Maybe you might have copied a trade. So if there's anything you're stuck with, always send a message on the group, and then I will see how best I can help to put you through so that you can get started immediately.
Sir, I can see sir, a fixed amount. Follow mode, fixed amount.
Yes, fixed amount. Use fixed amount. That fixed amount is where you can now put the $10 or any amount. Yes, any amount of your choice.
Position mode isolated, while leverage customized.
Yes, leverage where you say customize, you can now click on the customize and set your own leverage. I trade with 25x leverage, so you can use a lower leverage, anything like 10x or more. Okay. Yes.
But I can see you. It's like you trade the BTC, USDT, Ethereum, BNC,
XRP. Yes, those are the pairs I trade. But more of the trades are on BNB or BT. More of my trades are on BTC and Ethereum. But I equally trade XRP and then other 3 coins that you see there.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. All right. Any other question? All right. Thank you so much. It has been a wonderful lecture. I equally live stream this on YouTube. I believe the video will be available. So once YouTube finish rendering it, I'll equally share with you so that you go through it again. All right. If there's anything you're stuck with, always ask questions and I will see how best I can actually help. All right. So the whole essence of this is to equip you, to impact you with knowledge about crypto and how you can start making some money with it. Okay. So thank you for your usual cooperation, and our next class will be on Friday, same time. All right. So if there is no other question, do have a wonderful day, and I'll see you guys on Friday.
You have a nice day, sir, and a nice day.